What is happening now in the world is due to the carelessness of the people. When I was an active seafarer, safety first, safety last is the mantra of every traveling seafarer. The respect for marine life, and of course, being a steward of the seven seas, a seafarer must observe safety at all times. Avoid throwing garbages at sea. It can contribute to the pollution of the marine life. Being an angler now, or mamimingwit, para banwit in Bicol, we always see to it that we observe cleanliness whenever we have an angling expedition. We don't throw garbages at sea. We always observe safety on the places that we visited. It has been part of our advocacy now to protect marine environment in order for the future generation to enjoy the things that we are enjoying right now.